Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Neophyte Explained, your trusted source for simplifying finance. In today's video, we're diving into the world of financial decisions. When it comes to managing a business or making personal financial choices, three key decisions stand out: investment decisions, financing decisions, and dividend decisions. First up, let's talk about investment decisions. These decisions revolve around where and how to allocate your financial resources. It is like deciding where to plant your seeds for a fruitful harvest. In business, this means choosing which projects or assets to invest in. You want to make sure your investments generate return that outweigh the cost. The main goal is to grow your money over time. To make wise investment decisions, consider factors like risk, expected returns, and the investment timeline. Now let's move on to financing decisions. These decisions involve how to raise the necessary capital for your investments. Think of it as choosing the right ingredients for your recipe. In business, it means determining the mix of debt and equity to fund your projects. Imagine you want to start a business. You can borrow money from a bank or use your own savings. The decisions affect how much risk you take and how much of the business you own. Balancing debt and equity is crucial. Debt comes with interest payments and obligations, while equity means sharing ownership. Your financing decision can impact your risk and profitability. Finally, let's explore dividend decisions. These decisions concern how to distribute profit among shareholders. It's like sharing the pie with your partners. In business, it's about determining how much of the earnings should be paid out as dividend and how much should be reinvestment to the business again. Dividend decisions affect both shareholders and the company's growth potential. And there you have it. Investment decisions, financing decisions, and dividend decisions are at the core of financial management. Whether you are steering a business or managing your personal finance, understanding these decisions is crucial. Thank you for joining us today on Neophyte Explained. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simplified finance insights. Until next time, happy decision making.